How to remove and install the engine balance shaft timing of Toyota Alphard and Vellfire cars. How much to tighten the balance shaft timing bolt screw. What problems will occur if the balance shaft timing is damaged? After how many kilometers of driving the car, the balance shaft timing should be changed. You can learn more details from this video. Check the engine oil pan after opening it. Oil sump strainer, it's almost closed. The engine balance shaft teeth are broken after wearing down and the engine is running oil sump strainer entered. The engine oil pump fails to send oil to the upper part of the engine. As a result, the engine makes a rattling sound after running. Major damage can occur and even the engine jams. Look, the balance shaft is turning by hand because the teeth on the balance shaft are damaged. Now I'm going to show you how to open the balance shaft. I will position the crankshaft pulley marking at the top. Align the mark on the crankshaft pulley with the 0 on top. This will make the piston number 1 the top position. After marking the crank pulley, there is nothing else to do except remove the balance shaft. I removed the balance shaft and took it out. Check if the balance shaft teeth are damaged. Replace the damaged balance shaft. How to install a new balance shaft. I will show you. I cleaned the oil sump strainer and engine oil pan. You can clean them the same way. See how to install the balance shafts. I installed this shaft. Keep the marking of this mark on the outside and the round marking on the inside. Shaft number 2. Mark and connect it in the same way as shaft number 1. If the balance shaft marking is present on the housing, then there is no problem. See, I completed the installation of the 2 shafts inside the balance shaft housing. Look at the 2 balance shafts. They are rotating freely like this. There is no problem. Now I will install the balance shaft. While installing it, make sure that the markings on the shaft are correct. When removing or installing the balance shaft, make sure that the marking on the crankshaft pulley remains in one place. Now I will install the balance shaft inside the engine. I will install all the screws on the balance shaft housing. I installed all the screws on the balance shaft housing. General torque specifications have been charted for how tight the balance shaft bolts should be for all vehicle models. The torque specification for the balance shaft bolts on the Toyota 1 MZ A 3.0 L engine is typically in the range of 25 Nm, 18 pound-foot. Again, precision is critical. It is essential to use a torque wrench to avoid over or under tightening. Remember your car. The balance shaft should definitely be replaced after the car has been driven for 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Now I'll put the oil sump strainer on. Once the oil sump strainer is installed, install the engine oil pan. Then install the engine oil and start the car's engine. If you have any problems understanding anything after watching the video, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching the video.